How to change your username on WeCash. Are you guys facing issue to change your username on WeCash application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change your username on WeCash application, first of all, open WeCash on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a pop icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see this option or username. Click on this pencil icon. After you click on it, delete all the text and write down the username according to your preference. Once you write it down, click on submit. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to change your username on WeCash application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding WeCash, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.